Japan has spent over $50 billion building 15 powerful weapons that shock the world's stealth fighters, billion-dollar warships, and submarines so silent they vanish. Wait until you see weapon number 1. Starting at number 15, Japan's Type 99 self-propelled howitzer is the backbone of its ground artillery. At 37 feet long and with a top speed of 31 miles per hour, it brings heavy firepower wherever it goes. Its 155mm gun can strike targets up to 25 miles away with precision shells. Built in 1999, about 117 units have been produced, each costing around $6.9 million. The system uses advanced fire control technology for fast targeting and quick redeployment. This mobile artillery ensures Japan can deliver devastating firepower in both defense and offensive operations. At number 14, the Type 16 maneuver combat vehicle shows how speed and power combine. This 7-foot-long armored vehicle reaches speeds of 62 miles per hour and can travel 249 miles without refueling. Armed with a powerful 105mm rifled gun, it is designed to destroy tanks and provide fire support. First built in 2015, about 142 units are in service, each priced at $5.1 million. Its wheel design makes it perfect for quick deployment across Japan's islands. This vehicle gives Japan a fast strike option, balancing mobility and firepower in modern warfare. Number 13 introduces the Type 03 Chusam, a mobile air defense system built to protect Japan's skies. Each missile measures 16.1 feet and flies at 1,914 miles per hour, striking targets up to 31 miles away. Entering service in 2003, Japan has built about 97 units with an estimated program cost of $300 million. The system uses advanced AESA radar, able to track multiple aircraft and cruise missiles at once. It can quickly deploy and move to avoid counterattacks, improving its survivability. Constant upgrades make it a key defense against both modern aircraft and new missile threats. At number 12, we have the Patriot PAC-3, one of the world's most trusted missile defense systems. Each missile is 17 feet long, travels at 3,830 miles per hour, and can intercept threats up to 22 miles away. Japan brought the PAC-3 into service in 2007 and now fields about 240 missiles, each costing around $3 million. Its hit-to-kill technology smashes targets with pinpoint accuracy, especially against ballistic missiles. Integrated with Japanese and American radar networks, it serves as Japan's shield against North Korean missile launches. Combat-proven and highly reliable, the PAC-3 remains a critical pillar of Japan's homeland defense. Number 11 takes us to the sea with the Kawasaki P-1, Japan's first home-designed military aircraft since World War II. At 124.7 feet long, it can reach speeds of 619 miles per hour and fly nearly 4,971 miles in a single mission. Introduced in 2007, 34 units are currently active, each with a price tag of $141.5 million. The P-1 is equipped with advanced sensors, magnetic detectors, and carries torpedoes and anti-ship missiles. It patrols the Pacific, hunting submarines and protecting vital sea routes. Silent but powerful, the P-1 gives Japan unmatched surveillance and strike power over its waters. Kicking off the top 10, the Boeing E-767 AWACS is Japan's flying command center in the sky. This giant aircraft is 159 feet long, flies at 530 miles per hour, and has a range of 6,440 miles. Built in 1998, only 4 units exist, each costing nearly $500 million. Its large rotodome radar can track over 100 targets across land, air, and sea at once. Serving as an airborne command post, it directs fighters and defenses with unmatched precision. Extremely rare and highly valuable, the E-767 makes Japan's Air Force far more powerful than its numbers suggest. Sliding into number 9, the Mitsubishi F-2 shows how Japan turned an American design into its own advanced strike fighter. Measuring 50.9 feet, this jet flies at 1,320 miles per hour with a range of 518 miles. Entering service in 1995, 98 units were built at about $100 million each. Based on the F-16, the F-2 features larger wings, advanced radar, and superior payload capacity. It excels in maritime strike missions, carrying anti-ship missiles that can sink enemy vessels. Agile, fast, and deadly, The F-2 remains Japan's frontline fighter until stealth aircraft take full command. Coming in at number 8, the Ikazuki-class destroyer is a guardian of the seas. At 493.8 feet long, it sails at 35 miles per hour and has a range of 5,180 miles. Built in 2009, Japan completed only 4 ships of this class, each costing $893 million. Armed with 32 vertical launch cells, it can fire surface-to-air missiles to protect fleets from enemy threats. The destroyer is also armed for anti-ship and anti-submarine missions, making it a complete warship. Known as the escort guardians, these ships defend Japan's carriers and larger vessels on dangerous waters. Taking the number 7 spot, the Type 10 main battle tank proves Japan's strength on land. This 31.1-foot tank drives at 43 miles per hour and has a range of 311 miles. First built in 2010, Japan produced 139 units, each costing $11.3 million. Its 120mm smoothbore gun fires powerful rounds with extreme precision. The tank uses modular armor that can be upgraded or replaced quickly in battle. Lightweight but digitally advanced, the Type 10 is perfect for Japan's roads, bridges, and modern networked warfare. Soaring high at number 6, the Mitsubishi F-15 Jules Eagle dominates Japan's skies. Measuring 63.7 feet, it reaches speeds of 1,650 miles per hour and can fly up to 1,061 miles. First introduced in 1981, 213 aircraft are still in service, each valued at around $60 million. Based on the American F-15, Japan customized it with local avionics and systems. The fleet is now being upgraded into the Super Interceptor F-15 JSI for extended life. Constantly scrambled against Chinese and Russian jets, the F-15 Jules remains the backbone of Japan's air defense. At number 5, the Maya-class Aegis destroyer stands as Japan's most advanced warship. Measuring 557.7 feet in length, it sails at 35 miles per hour and covers 5,180 miles without resupply. Built in 2017, only 2 of these giants exist, each costing about $1.5 billion. Armed with the Aegis SPY-1D5 radar and SM-3 Block 2 Amperes interceptors, it can shoot down ballistic missiles in space. It also performs anti-air, anti-submarine, and anti-surface missions, giving it true multi-role power. The Maya class is one of the most powerful destroyers in the world, built to protect Japan from North Korean missiles and beyond. At number 4, the Taiji-class submarine is Japan's most advanced undersea weapon. At 275.6 feet long, this attack submarine moves quietly at 23 miles per hour and can travel 7,000 miles on deployment. Introduced in 2018, Japan has already built 4 of them, each costing around $635 million. The Taiji is the first submarine in the world to use lithium-ion batteries on this scale, allowing it to stay submerged far longer than traditional diesel-electric subs. It carries advanced torpedoes and anti-ship missiles, giving it the power to strike both enemy vessels and submarines. Its sonar systems are among the best, making it highly effective in tracking hostile submarines. Built for operations across the vast Pacific, it is incredibly difficult to detect, even by the most modern sonar. The Taiji class gives Japan a silent and deadly edge at sea, rivaling even nuclear-powered submarines in endurance and stealth. At number 3, the Izumo-class aircraft carrier marks Japan's return to carrier operations. Measuring 813.6 feet long, it sails at 35 miles per hour and has a range of 5,000 miles. First built in 2012, Japan operates 2 of these ships, each costing about $1.2 billion. Originally designed for helicopters, it has been modified to carry F-35B stealth fighters. The Izumo class also operates anti-submarine and transport helicopters, making it a flexible floating base. As Japan's largest warship since World War II, it represents both military power and a new era of Japanese naval strength. At number 2, the Lockheed Martin F-35B Lightning II is Japan's most advanced stealth strike fighter in active service. This 51.5-foot jet reaches speeds of 1,220 miles per hour and has an impressive range of 1,367 miles. Introduced in 2017, Japan has 41 Farads 3.5, as each costing around $82.5 million. With its radar-evading stealth design, it can penetrate deep into enemy airspace without being detected. It carries precision-guided bombs and air-to-air missiles, making it lethal in both strike and dogfight missions. The F-35B also acts as a flying sensor hub, sharing battlefield data with other aircraft and ships in real time. Its advanced helmet display gives pilots unmatched situational awareness, almost like having X-ray vision of the battlefield. This aircraft ensures Japan keeps pace with the most advanced air forces in the world. It is the backbone of Japan's next-generation air fleet and a powerful deterrent against aggression. Finally, at number 1, the Lockheed Martin F-35B Lightning II stands as the crown jewel of Japan's arsenal. This stealth fighter measures 51.4 feet, flies at 1,220 miles per hour, but has a shorter range of 517 miles compared to the F-35B. Built for Japan in 2025, only 3 units are currently in service, each costing about $109 million. What makes the F-35B special is its short takeoff and vertical landing ability, allowing it to launch from Izumo-class carriers. This transforms Japan's Navy into a true carrier strike force, something it has not had since World War II. The F-35B combines stealth, supersonic speed, and advanced weapons with unmatched flexibility. It can strike land and sea targets while remaining almost invisible to enemy radar. With these fighters on its carriers, Japan now has the ability to project power across Asia. The F-35B is more than just an aircraft. It is a symbol of Japan's military comeback and its most advanced weapon today. Japan's rise as a military power is no longer a secret. Its 15 most advanced weapons prove it can shock the world. Subscribe for more deep dives, like the video if you enjoyed it, share with friends, and comment which weapon shocked you the most.